In Contents, expand the USA map frame to show the USA map if necessary, and click to select it. Click the Insert Map Frames Extent Indicator drop-down and select the Hazards map frame. The Format Extent Indicator pane opens, and an Extent of Hazards map frame item appears in the Contents pane, currently selected. In the Format Extent Indicator pane, click the symbol representation and then switch from the gallery to the Properties heading. Change the outline color to dark orange and the outline width to 3 point. Click Apply.